And I am Papa, and today we're going to be showing you some candles that our friends from Kaiana sent us to test. Stay tuned.
Hello, I am Renzo.
Hello everyone, thanks for sticking around. So today we have here some candles from Kaiana. These are artisanal candles that are available for purchase at Etsy or in their Instagram, Kaiana Living. Do you like candles, Renzo?
Candle is really hot.
Candle is very hot. You gotta be very careful. Okay, so what do we have here, Renzo?
I don't know.
We have quite a few fragrances. They sent us 5 different scents. First one is rose. Which one is yours?
I don't know.
You don't know? So we have pine and eucalyptus. So that sounds nice. We have rose and bergamot. We've got lavender and peppermint. Jasmine and which one is this one? And we have sage. Okay. We also got some very nice wax tablets that they sent us. These are special edition artisanal and they're meant for decoration. Yes. How do you like them, Renzo? Do they smell good?
So good.
It does smell good. This one has a little, lots of flowers and herbs,
Lots of
leaves, right?
leaves.
Do you like the smell?
This is raspberry bush.
This is a strawberry bush.
There was strawberry and blueberry and
Strawberry and
raspberry.
blueberry. Okay, I don't think so, but they smell good, right? Let's open this one, rose and bergamot. Shall we, Renzo?
No, open this first.
Open this one first. Which one is this?
I don't know.
Pine and eucalyptus.
Oh.
Wow. So it's fall, and nothing better than candles to make your house a little bit cozier, warm, and give it a nice smell. We also like to light candles when we are cooking, so it eliminates that food smell from the house.
Papa,
Yeah,
what's
Renzo?
this one? What's this one?
This is the pine and eucalyptus. Very nice. Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I smell this? It's Margarita. Can you put it
So
down?
some of them come with the herbs and the ingredients that were utilized. So this gives a nice visual touch. Makes it very appealing to the eyes if you just want to leave as a decoration piece in your place. Or obviously if you want to light it up. Okay, let's open the other one, Renzo. This one is rose and bergamot.
Can I open this?
This is rose and bergamot. You want to open? Okay, go ahead, open.
Oh. Open it.
I like their boxes. They're very simple, but have a nice label on it, and it's quite appealing. Wow, look at this one.
This one is so sticky.
Yeah, because it's wax. These candles are locally made here in Vancouver, Canada, and you can order them either through Etsy, and I'm putting the link down below, as well as from their Instagram page, which is Kaiana Living. Okay, let's light one candle, Renzo.
Yeah, I want to light this candle. And I want to light this candle.
Which one is this one?
I don't know.
Pine and eucalyptus. Okay, let's light that one. I think it's a good idea.
I think so, me
I
too.
think so. Okay, Renzo, very, very important, okay? Kids cannot play with fire. Kids cannot light a candle. This needs to be done by grown-ups only. So who can light a candle at home?
Daddy.
Daddy. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
There we go. No touch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check Kaiana Living on Instagram as well as Etsy. Comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.
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 Candle dance, candle dance.
Bye.